Okay, so today I am going to be talking about the free websites and tools that I use to run my business. And I'm sure that you can use some of these too. There is one tool that is paid, but there is a free version, and that is a design tool. We're going to be using setup tools, design tools. There are two tools that I'm debating whether to share with you because they can be used for unethical purposes. If I do decide to share them, please use them responsibly. So with no further ado, let's go take a look at the first one. It's the website called superheroresults.com. And this is to generate, say you're setting up a business and you're doing a local business. So you type in the city that you're in, let's say Dallas, and then you come over here and click show me the results, and it will start generating all these results that are available. So these are all the website names that are available in the Dallas area. You could be using this for possibly creating websites for like an art shop. DallasArtShops.com is available, and you're promoting that, and you want to sell, this is like a business to business, or you want to open up Dallas Art Shops. You see it's available right there. So that is for a local domain. If you're doing local, and you can see all the local domains that are available. All right, in our next one, we are going to be looking for, it's called leandomainsearch.com. And in this one, we are going to type in like the term that we want our domain to say. Say we're in the woodworking business. Woodworking, okay. And here it will list all the woodworking domains that are available, and that's 3,666. And as you can see, it's traveling woodworking, bio woodworking, and these are all .coms. Media woodworking, woodworking soft. You know, a lot of them are not usable, of course, but it is a tool. So also you can sort the results by popularity, length, alphabetically, and also if you want the terms to search to start with the woodworking, or if you want it at the end. So here is it is at the beginning: woodworking mail, woodworking mobile, woodworking soft, and then here click this and it's at the end. Bio woodworking, blog woodworking, data woodworking. Let's see. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna go with start with woodworking, and we're just gonna pick one. Woodworking. Play woodworking style. How about woodworking style? Okay, so we know that woodworking style is available. Say we want that. So now what we want to do is come over here to another site called namechecker.com. That's namechecker spelled CHECKR.com. And then we plug in, what was that name again? Let's see. Woodworking style. So woodworking style. We already know it's available on .com. So we're going to see where else it's available. And as you can see, here's .com, the first one. It'll pop up here in a minute. It'll populate. It'll be available. It is available on YouTube, MySpace. I didn't know MySpace was still available. Pinterest, it is not available. It's not available on Facebook or Reddit also. So this will tell you where it is available and where it's not available. Fantastic source, because what you like to do is have cohesion all over all of your platforms as much as possible. So it is available .com and YouTube, which are pretty good. So I don't think they've added TikTok. This thing's been around for a few years, and I don't think that I don't see it on here. But anyways, this is a fantastic way to find out if your name is available on multiple platforms. Okay, so now that we have our name, let's go in. That's all our setup tools. These are all free tools. Let's go over to another free tool, say Pixabay, and just say we want pictures. You can find all kinds of pictures here. Pixabay is okay. I like a few other ones. Here's Pexels. I like Pexels for videos. So let's go with our example, woodworking. And then we will see all the photos that are available for woodworking. And you can use this for, of course, one of the most popular ClickBank offers is the woodworking. That's why we're using this example. So here are some of the pictures that you can download for absolutely free, and here are some of the videos you can use. And you can just hover over it, and it'll give you a little example of the woodworking that you can use. So I like Pexels the best for these videos. You can also use Upsplash. Let's see what they have. Woodworking. And here's some of the photos that they have. I don't see, let's see, the videos. So they're all photos. They're pretty good photos. So you can use all three of those to get your pictures from. Now, say you want to edit your pictures. So say you want to take off the back of this picture. I uploaded this picture to lunapix.com, and I used to use this before I used the other program that I'm going to show you, but it is a paid version over there. And then Lunapix is free. You can come over here to edit, come down to transparent background. It's a little hard to get down there. Click on transparent background, and boom, there it is. Then you can download it, save it. You click the save button, and then you can download it to your desktop. So that is one way. I also tested out remove.bg. So I actually just uploaded this photo, the same photo we had, and it automatically removed the background. The problem with remove.bg is that you get one photo available, like maybe I think per month, and otherwise it's not HD. So you definitely want HD photos for the most part, unless you're selling your artwork, and then you definitely want low quality photos because you don't want people to steal your photos or your art. So this is remove.bg. I used to use this, but like I said, the quality of the pictures aren't that great. So now what I'm using is canva.com. So canva.com, and they do have a free version, which is fantastic. You can do most of your work on Canva, but since we're talking about photos right here, this is a paid option, paid feature on Canva. So you have this picture, and this was with Canva. I just typed in woman under pictures, photos, and I typed in woman, and I grabbed her over here. And what we're going to do is remove the background. So click on the picture, edit image, and then right up here it says background remover. Just click on that. It's going to remove the background. This works great when you have a solid background, and it'll remove it, and it also downloads it in high quality HD. So that's why I use Canva for all of my image removal. So you look at that background. It's crisp and clean and clear, and it's perfect. So now you can just download that. You can paste it anywhere you want it. You can downsize it, make it bigger, make it smaller once you get it to your platform that you're going to use it on. So that's why I use Canva. But Canva is a fantastic platform just for making everything. You can create all kinds of designs on here, Facebook posts, Facebook covers. You want to do your Facebook cover. As a matter of fact, that Facebook cover, I am going to include my design here. Because you can click share. I have a Facebook design template, which I don't see it right here. It's under my designs. I'm going to share that to all my people who are on my mailing list because it gives you a grid of where to place your pictures for your Facebook cover, which is a fantastic. But back to creating a design. Facebook ad, YouTube banner. You can create your YouTube banner, a YouTube thumbnail, of course. I use that all the time because I'm making YouTube. And they have all these over here. Let's see, that's a pro version. This one's a free version right here. So you click on it, drop it in here. It's the perfect size. You can change the pictures, and you can add the woman that we just removed the background from. We can add her in here. And also there's another one in here. This one here. But you have to upload it. See, we removed the background from this picture here, but now we have to upload it into our Canva back office. But since we're not going to do that right now, we're just going to delete her And we're going to bring her over because this background is already removed. And then you can just resize it, whatever you want, place it wherever you want, change the fonts, change the wording. And that's why Canva is one of the best free tools out there. I do have the paid version because I like to do, I use it quite a bit. Some of the free features that are only available in the paid version, like the background remover and things like that. But yeah, that is Canva. So that is one of my all-time favorite free tools. You should definitely learn how to use it, get in there, play around. It's fantastic. There's all kinds of advanced features like audio and video. You can actually create videos in here for Pinterest and things like that, or short videos. You can do that, of course, for TikTok and other and Pinterest. You want the format to be not landscape, but horizontal, vertical. So I'm not going to get into all that. This isn't a tutorial on Canva. There's plenty of them out there. Okay, so, and the last two free items, these are the ones that, this one's not too controversial, but you can create a fictitious picture of a person that does not exist. As a matter of fact, the website is called thispersondoesnotexist.com. So this person here is AI generated, and you can create all kinds of different, you can just hit the refresh button here and it'll create different types, man, woman. You can actually pick which one you want. Let's go back to the home. I'm gonna refresh this. Okay, here's the home. This created a woman, and this, like I said, this woman does not exist anywhere on the internet, and she is totally AI created. So you can use that to create profiles and things like that. Also, the last one I am going to share with you is fake name generator. So this is called fakenamegenerator.com. And then you can come in here and create fake names, random. Let's go with the female since we had the female. I don't know why this thing's showing up here. And United States, American. So we have a female selected. You can pick different countries, English, Wales. Let's go with England for this example. Name set. Okay, that was the name set. And from the country, let's go with England also with that. Let's find England. United Kingdom. Okay, and then we're going to generate a name. And this gives you Lily Dobson, 37 Main Road, zip code or whatever this is. And then, of course, it doesn't have the picture, but we created a picture over here on this one. And it also creates a phone number, age, a profile, a whole profile, and also geolocations. So those are my top websites and tools and tricks to use to design and to set up a business. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.